You will not regret coming to this trip with Vanessa Joy.
Vanessa is the reason why I'm here. She's my favorite photographer.
Whether you're a professional photographer or a hobbyist or an amateur, it doesn't really matter. We're just here to have a good time and learn from Vanessa. She's amazing.
Not only did I learn from Vanessa hands-on, there's 20 other photographers that are here that are amazing.
You know, really this trip and the previous ones has really been about the people, sharing experiences and learning from each other. There's that very collaborative spirit that everyone has that participates in these trips.
So it's the fun that we have, it's the memories we make, the friendships we make, and the things we learn.
Yeah, that's perfect. Aside from just learning so much about photography, you make lasting friendships, you eat amazing food, you go to amazing places, you learn so much culture. I mean, there's just so many things to learn and see.
Vanessa, she knows so much.
She lets you know what she's shooting, how she's getting her image. If you need help with anything, she's right there.
One of my favorite parts of the trip would be shooting our wonderful, lovely models. They're so fun to work with. It's nice to get out of your comfort zone and try something different. It's kind of watching what everybody else does and getting some pointers from Vanessa. I mean, that just is priceless.
Vanessa brings an element of family. If it's your first trip, you feel like you know everybody.
It doesn't matter where you're at in your photography skill set, if you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, bring your camera, bring your lenses, take some pictures, have some fun, and come ready to learn and contribute, and I think you'll get as much out of it as you put in.